Hello everyone, I am Lewis and welcome to Lost in Travel. Over the last few weeks, my channel has witnessed my extraordinary journey around Scotland's North Coast 500. Visiting the most gorgeous beaches, exploring historic castles, being blown about in Scotland's harshest of weathers, and meeting these cute fellas.
Guys, it's a seal! There's a seal in the water!
Currently there are 3 parts focused on my staycation already out. The final one, and may I say the most breathtaking with the greatest of weather, will be published next week. But firstly, I thought it would be beneficial to make a certain type of video. You may have noticed that my content recently has seen an upgrade. I purchased a DJI Mavic Pro to capture Scotland from above, and it was a fabulous investment. I may have not been thinking that on my very first flight though, so this video will feature my expressions and overall thoughts after climbing into the air for the first time. Also, I will give you all a motorhome tour of what I called home for a week. I hope you enjoy.
As you may have already seen, this place may look familiar. But to me, this is the place where I am going to do my first drone fly. What a beautiful spot to do it. Let's get the drone set up and let's show you how this is going to be done. Just adios.
Take off.
And off you go.
Late night angel, daylight ringing bell. She puts the song in my sail, and the wind hums along. Golden daisy, my sunshine lady. If she can't save me, I'd rather be lost. She's the song that I wanna sing, the book that I wanna read. When the day gets long and my strength is gone, she comes running back to me. She's the hand that I wanna hold, the story that never gets old. She's a melody flowing soft and sweet. She's the song that I wanna sing. Wide-eyed dreamer, restless sleeper. She's a reckless believer in all my foolish plans. And no matter where I go, I will always keep her close. She's my rock, she's my blood, she's my soul, and she makes me a better man. She's the song that I wanna sing, the book that I wanna read. When the day gets long and my strength is gone, she comes running back to me. She's the hand that I wanna hold, the story that never gets old. She's a melody flowing soft and sweet. She's the song that I wanna sing. And if you ask me to remember my favorite part, well, it's the way she always cuts right through, straight to my heart. She's the song I wanna sing, in the book that I won't read. When the day is long and my faith is gone, she comes running back to me. the hand that I wanna hold, the story that never gets old. She's a melody flowing soft and sweet. She's the song that I wanna sing. Na 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 na. She's the song, yeah. She comes running back to me. She's the song that I wanna sing, yeah.
Welcome to my home for the week. Anyways, I promised you I was going to show you around, so come on in and I'll show you the Easy Campers motorhome. The link will be in the description below if you are thinking of getting a motorhome and coming up to the NC500 yourself. So in here is where me and Lauren sit as when my dad drives. Of course, seatbelts on, it's like a normal car, so we sit there. Nice and dandy. It's great. It's the couches kind of slide off, so you may have to just keep on fixing them back, but it's all good. That's just because how in the world are you going to have a couch on the road? Alright, it's a bit weird. We keep on just going into the kitchen even though it's just one room, but let's just take the kitchen. My phone's just charging right there. We've got our sink, we've got our oven, we've got our fridge, we've got a freezer in this box right here. We've got grill and oven, and we've got lots and lots of drawers. Of course, for kitchen you need to have food, so there we go. We've got two beds. I've been sleeping on the top one, Lauren's been sleeping on the bottom one. Behind us is the parents' bed, right up, right at the ceiling. Bathroom in here, and then this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna drive, only kidding, but that's me driving this around. And it's been great. It's really got us to where we need to go. This is our home for the week, guys. As you see, pretty small, but it is beneficial for getting around. You know, you can just decide where you want to sleep and stuff. It is great. One thing you've got to keep in note though is that if you do want electricity, you've kind of got to charge up at a motorhome facility like the one I'm at right now in the Kyle of Ton. And of course you have to empty out your chemical waste as well. So keep that in mind if you're ever thinking of doing wild camping, because I need on my devices a lot more than I would like to see a view, because I won't be able to show you guys the view. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this motorhome tour, and anyways, let's get back to showing you the NC500. So that may have been the funnest thing I have ever done. Like, it's actually quite a breeze. I really just loved controlling it, seeing the views from the top. We saw geese go by and I was like, let's hope we don't crash into our drone or think our drone is one of them or something like that. But what an experience. If you're ever like nervous about picking a drone up, there's no need to. That Mavic Pro controls itself totally perfect. I loved flying and I can't wait to use it more on this trip, which you would have already seen. Thank you guys for watching. If you do like this video, please smash the like button, share with your family and your friends, and subscribe for more Mavic Pro content in the future. Anyways, I'll see you all later. Peace!
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance?